Oh, and I thought I would go ahead and film this. I know I'm not filming a lot. And I want to say right now, I appreciate everybody that subscribed, but I need to get up to about 5,000 subscribers. I've actually have over 1 million people that have watched my videos. And I've uploaded 200 just repairing cars. But if you want me to keep making videos like this, I'm kind of at a transition part of my life. And getting subscriptions and showing that it's worth my time to make these videos is important. And if people don't want me to make them, you know, I'm going to start really thinning out what I'm uploading. So it seems like my popular videos really are around repairing Rangers and Mustangs, older Mustangs. So please like and subscribe. But what happened is this car went through the car wash and both these plastic pieces here broke off. Now, you will only have these pieces on a standard cab. The super cabs don't have them. And these are actually screwed in, and here's the replacement part from the inside. So unfortunately, you got to remove a lot of trim and the inside to actually replace just this little part here. So I'm going to film it as I'm going and show you how to replace the, I think it's called cab trim, rear cab trim piece. And this would work on a 98 to a 2011 Ford Ranger standard cab. First thing you got to do is replace 4 bolts, or I'm not sorry, not replace, but remove the 4 screws on this trim here. When I did the other side, one of the screws actually broke, so you might need to have some spare screws around. These are known to rust out really bad in these trucks, and it's because the water gets on from the bottom and comes up through them. Just move the trim off the side. Now you're going to pull the seat all the way forward. Next thing you have to do here, you got to remove this cover from the seat belt. And this is a 15 millimeter nut that has to be removed here. If you have speakers, I don't have rear speakers, you would have to remove them and disconnect the speaker. I don't in this particular model. My other assumption is because this is the side for the jack. So I'm going to have to do that too on this side, is just the jack cover. And I don't know if I'll have to remove the jack. Oh, yeah. Lovely. Okay, now I got to remove the jack as well. With the trim puller, you'll need to remove these. These have a tendency to break. I have spare ones, so you're warned that these may just end up breaking like that. This one did too. And then so you got those 2, and then you got 3 on this up higher. These ones come out a lot easier, and I do recommend taking them out carefully because there's plastic clips behind them. You don't want to break them, especially the one up top. And then on the top trim, you're just gonna, right here, just take the first one out, just a clip. Let's hope it comes out. There we go. Easy. Move it out of the way. And now you'll have access to the screws, and you have to take this trim piece off so it doesn't get in the way. And those are the two screws up there that you have to remove. So 8mm socket to remove those two. Parts look like that come out of it. Alrighty. Put speed shine on it to get any dirt out of the crevices. Just clean it up a little bit while it's exposed. Okay, on the replacement one, you have to wedge this in underneath the trim or the rubber for the window here, and then you put the top one in. It does sort of spread out as you're going. You might feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. And you got to make sure you move the screws or the nuts and the felt, because that actually goes inside, not outside of the trim piece. Remove the tape here and go ahead and stick the first one in. Okay, you can see it's underneath there, and now it's on. The replacement screws were a different size. What came with this was it's 9mm to come off, it's 8mm for going on. The new ones are, the replacement ones are, that is. And the pad goes on, then the nut, so it seals from the inside. Okay, the nut's on and the pad's on. I'll go ahead and just start screwing them in. I'm going to screw them in so it's about hand snug. Enough to be tight, but not enough to break it. Okay. All right, now you can see the replacement trim is on. You put the bolt back on, you got to use Loctite. Put the cap back on. When you put the plastic piece here on that slides with the seatbelt, it says top on it. You just got to make sure it's facing out, and then you put it on the seatbelt piece before you install the trim. And that's it. Both of them are installed, and you'll know which side goes to which based on this angle of the door. If you flip them, this piece will hang out here and the door won't shut. So that's how you know which side goes to which. All replaced, ready to go.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.